Ever wondered if cracking your knuckles could lead to arthritis? This common belief has been around for ages, but is there any truth to it? Let's dive into the facts. Studies show that the sound is caused by gas bubbles bursting in the joint fluid, not by damage. In fact, research, including a famous study by Dr. Donald Unger, who cracked his knuckles on one hand for 60 years, found no increased risk of arthritis. So what's the verdict? While habitual knuckle cracking might annoy those around you, it's unlikely to cause arthritis, but it could lead to reduced grip strength over time. Next time someone tells you to stop cracking your knuckles, you can confidently share the facts.